Okay, after we replace these models, maybe we can change some properties for this material. It's a little bit bright for this wood color, right? We can double click this wood. Then we can see on our right side, we can just change with some properties. So you can just change with this base color and just saturation, make it lower. So you can see the color is not so bright. And also you can just change with a little bit for the brightness. Okay, imagine we have done all the modification for this product. We need to render, right? We can go into render and choose the type as a picture, and you can choose the camera and choose the resolution. So it's better to choose 4K. We will get a better resolution. Then we can click render to get these pictures. So let's see how to create animation in our design tool. Okay, so we can go into the animation, open the animation timeline. So on the bottom, you can see there is a timeline. So you can just stretch this line to change the time in here. And if we want to create a movement for the camera, so we can choose the first point and we can add the keyframe to the camera. So we can add a keyframe and we can go closer. You can press the WASD to control with the movement of the camera. So go closer, so we can move this timeline going to like 3 seconds, and we can add a keyframe for next point. Then we can go upper, right? And just stretch this timeline, and we can add another keyframe for the camera. So we can click to play to make a review for this walkthrough. So that's for the walkthrough type animation. And we can create another type of the animation, like we can create the generate animation. So we can create to make this product from empty to full display, right? So we can just choose from with the endpoint. So we can go into here. So just remember, we need to change for this object, right? So we need to click this object. Then we can add the keyframe for this object. So we can add a keyframe to the end station. So we can add this one, and we can just stretch this timeline to change the product position. And next, we can just change the position of this product. So we can stretch this timeline, move this object, and then we can just surround it and change the size of this product. So we can change the size, make it to 0. Then we can add another object keyframe for this moment. And we can just delete this one to see the generate animation. So we can click to play. As you can see, the object is come out from empty to fully display into this space with the rotation and the change for its size. So that's for the generate animation. You can try to use different product to create such kind of animation. Okay.